Hello, Sam. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
I'll just say it again. Hello. Can you say it again?
Hello, sir. Yeah,
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good
good
morning.
morning.
So we'll do one question. Till then, everyone will join. Okay.
Sir, one second,
So
sir. Let me get. I was just getting my things, sir. One second.
okay. Okay. Hello, Abigail. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sorry I'm late.
Uh, Everyone is late today. I think everyone is planning to join late. Yeah. So we will do this question. Hello, Joshua.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Yesterday, you were not in the class. I mean, you were absent.
No, sir. We were traveling yesterday.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, so we are doing this question, Joshua. So you saw the stream?
I wasn't able to see. I'll see it today, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. Everyone turn on your camera, please. We are doing this question. Okay, so for Joshua, we are doing this question again. Then we'll move to the next figure. Turn on your camera, please. Okay. So we know that L square is equals to h square plus r square. Yes. Now what is L? L is basically the slant height. Okay. L is basically the slant height. So we have to find it out. So can anybody find it out? What is L in this case? H is basically 48 square plus R is basically 14 square. So L square is equals to 48 square. What is 48 square?
Sir, we have to find the length.
No, it's not length. It's a slant height. It's basically not a length, but it's a slant height. Okay. So slant height basically the slanting height of this cone, na, this thing. It's called a slant height. Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Plus 196. So L square is equals to 2500. L is equals to root of 2500. Then L we got 50. So I got L as 50 centimeter means slant height as 50 centimeter. Yes. Sam, did you understand till here what we did? Okay. Now, now what we have to do? We have to find the CSA. Now what is CSA formula? Pi RL. Now pi value is 22 by 7. R is basically 14 and L we got as 50. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So it will become 2200 centimeter square. And for the TSA, it's basically pi R into L plus R. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 14, and L is basically 50, and r is 14. 7 1 is 7 2s are, so it becomes 44 into 64. When you multiply it, you will get the value. Did you understand? Yes or no? And
So, how
now,
did you get 7?
where, beta?
22 by 7 into 40.
22 by 7. Here, this 7.
Yeah.
Basically, there is a value of pi. Like whenever the pi is given, you have to replace it by 22 by 7.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
So I just simply wrote it down. Okay. And what is the volume, Sam? Volume of cone? Can you tell me? What is volume of cone?
One, 1/3, 1/3,
Yeah, yeah.
pi r square.
Pi
Pi r
r square h.
square.
H is also there. So you have to just put the value of pi, which is 22 by 7, r, which is 14, and h, which is 48, and then you will find the answer. Guys, did you understand? No. Okay. Now, now we'll move to the next topic.
Sir, wait, sir, I'm
So
not right.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Abigail.
I have a doubt in yesterday's homework. Just one
Yeah.
question. The
Yes.
the fourth question.
Okay, just give me a second. What's the chapter number?
21.
Yeah. Fourth question, no?
Yeah.
The length and breadth of the paper is 33 centimeter. Oh, 20. Fourth question. The find the length of the 3 meter wide is to make conical vanes. Okay. Okay. It's easy. Hello, Johan. You are late? Yeah, it's okay. Everyone turn on your camera. Joshua, Johan, turn on your camera,
Sir,
please.
sir, can you do the volume one, sir? I wanted to how do you solve the volume one? You didn't solve
See,
volume.
1 by 3, I will write 1 by 3. Pi, I will write 22 by 7. R can be written as 14. So R square is given. So R square into H, which is 48. Do you understand? Now 1 by 3, pi, which is 22 by 7, into 14, into 14, into 48. So this will become 1, this will become 2, this will become 1, this will become 16. Now simply you have to multiply it. 22 into 2 into 14 into 16. You will whatever you multiply, you will get the answer. Understood? No? No. Still you didn't understand.
Can you say after, like, from the when you learn this factorization, sir?
This part,
Yes. No, no. Uh, yeah, it's from that part.
this part, no? See, this 3 and 48 are coming in one table, no? Like 16 table. So I just simply simplified it. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 16s are 48. And 7 and 14 are coming in one table, so 7 ones are and 7 twos are 14. So then I simply write it out. Understood? No.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So, can you go back? I want
Yeah.
to.
Joshua, can you turn on the camera, please?
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the question. Okay, this is the question in which it is given that find the length of the 3 meter. This is the question, no, Abigail?
Yes, sir. This question.
3 meter wide canvas to make conical tent of base radius this much and this one is height. So basically, what is this question is saying? There is a like cloth. It's in the form of rectangular. Okay, and it is given that uh, its height is 12 centimeter. So now from this, it the this rectangular sheet, okay, it wide is this and length we have to find, okay, and it's converted in the form of conical tent like this, okay, which have a radius of 9 meter, okay, and the height is 12 meter. Not tent. Not tent is like if you are taking a tent. So tent you will take CSA or TSA. Like if you will take TSA, then the circular thing will also include. It means that you can't go inside the tent. So always the canvas will make CSA. Okay, it will create a CSA. So which means that the area of rectangular canvas is equals to CSA of cone. Did you understand? Means whatever the rectangular sheet cloth they are taking, it's equals to the CSA of this cone because of this canvas they are making tent. Did you understand? Canvas is a cloth basically. So this canvas is used its mold so that the cone shape can become. So whatever the area will be there, you have to write it down here. Understood? No. Okay. So now what is the area of this rectangular canvas, which is length into breadth? So length is L and breadth is 3. And what is the CSA of this cone, which is pi RL? Yes or no? Pi RL. But now in this case, we don't know the value of L. We have to find the first value, the value of L. So L square is equals to h square plus r square. Now L is basically I don't know. H is 12 square, which is 144 plus r square is 81. So okay, so L square will become what it will become 225. So L will become root of 225. So L is basically 15. Did you understand, Abigail? No. Okay, so now I have to put the value L into 3 into 22 by 7 into R, which is 9, into L, which is 15. Oh my god. Now you have to solve this. So L is equals to 22 by 7 into 9 into 15 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So L is equals to 22 by 7 into 45. When you will solve it, you will get the answer.
So they said to
Did you
use
understand?
pi as
Sorry?
3.14.
Yeah, you can use pi as 3.14 if you want. Like 22 by 7 is basically 3.14.
No, in the question they said to use 3.14.
Yeah, then you can use 3.14 directly.
Okay, so I had a doubt like the circumference of the base, it will not
Hmm.
equal to the length, right?
No, it won't be.
Okay. Okay, so got it.
Mhm. In this cone, it's not possible, but in cylinder, it is there.
Okay, so
Okay, so if you want to take screenshot, you can. Jahan, are you doing homework, beta? No? Or little, little?
Yesterday I did. I mean, yesterday's homework I didn't do. Apart from that, I did.
Okay. I mean, you are not getting any doubt, and that's why I'm asking. And I didn't get the science one, Joe. I told you, na, the syllabus part, how much we did. Can you do after the class, please?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because I need it. Like, how much chapter we left? Because I have to complete by mid-Feb, no? So, so it's important to complete the whole course. And guys, please keep NXT classes in your prayer because we will have new sessions from mid-Feb or March. So if you're keeping, so that I mean, it will grow and you will become alumni then. Okay. So now we will do the new part, which is sphere. 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 Today we'll complete this chapter, I guess. Yeah, this is sphere, for example. Okay. So sphere is basically like this. Today I bought this. I mean, I was not intention about that, but yeah. So this is a sphere shape. You can see it's like a circular ball type shape. Okay, from this, Sam can like hit sixes to the out of the stadium. So basically, this is a sphere shape. Okay, so sphere has no sides. Okay, sphere doesn't have any side. It's only have the circular. Okay, so basically, sphere sphere does not have CSA, means curved surface area. Sphere doesn't have any curved surface area. Can you tell me why? Anybody can unmute and say why CSA doesn't have any CSA. Anybody? Yeah, Abigail. I'll take name. Yeah, Abigail. Can you tell me why the sphere doesn't have any CSA?
Because it's not curved, it's circular. I can't think of anything else.
Okay,
Is it
Joshua. Yeah.
is it because like CSA is between two flat sides?
Mhm. Okay, let's check. Joshua, why we are not calculating CSA of the sphere?
But is it because the whole thing is curved? Or it's like a spiral?
Yeah, the whole thing is circular. Okay, so like if the whole thing is circular, then like you can't take the CSA of it because what we call as CSA is the removal of top and bottom. There is no top. The top is also circular. The bottom is also circular. So basically, the CSA you can't take out of for the sphere. So it means that the sphere is made up of four circle. Means what does this mean? Listen, guys. Means like for example, this is one circle, this is one circle, this is one circle, and this is one circle. Okay, so basically, don't I mean just understand it like this. This part is basically called a sphere, in which like this orange is there, so one circle is there, one circle is there. This is sideways circle, and this is circle, and this is circle. So basically, four circles made one sphere. Okay, remember this thing: four circles made one sphere. Okay, did you understand? No, don't go on drawing and don't laugh on drawing. I am very bad. So four circle like this, one circle, second circle, third circle, and the fourth circle. The fourth circle makes one sphere. So it means that what is the total surface area? The total surface area of sphere. So the total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, because four circles is there and each has the area of pi r square, so it becomes 4 pi r square. Understood, guys? No. Jehovan, Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Four circle, 4 pi r square. Did you understand, guys? Okay. One thing I have to inform you guys. I guess from 22 to 24 might be. Yeah, the date is 22 to 24, I guess. I won't be there because there's a power conference in Jaipur. So I will be traveling to there. So mark the date on the calendar. See, Sam is very happy. Wow, sir, 2 days leave. See. You can see the picture. You can see the, yeah. See, sir, 2 days I have. I will be relieved from your bored voice and see. Uh, Okay, so from 22 to 24, I'll confirm the date, so I won't be there. Okay, so yeah, I told you the sphere is made up of four circles. So there is no CSA. So instead of curve, there is no CSA, which is one curve surface area. And now volume. For the volume part, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Quickly write it down.
It's R cube, sir.
Yes, r cube.
So a sphere, cylinder, and cone doesn't have diagonal.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll talk about another figure, which is the last figure of this chapter, which is hemisphere. Hemisphere gonna look like a ball. Okay. This is hemisphere, in which this is radius. So hemisphere is basically half sphere. Hemisphere is also called as half sphere. Half sphere means if you will cut the orange from this half, okay, it become a hemisphere. Okay, so basically the it has TSA or no, sorry, it will have CSA or not. Can anybody comment on it? Will it have CSA or not?
So it will have CSA, right?
Okay, which part it will be CSA?
The dome part without counting the bottom or top, whichever.
Yeah, so it means that this part will consider as CSA because top part will not take in CSA. So CSA is basic, as I told you, half of hemisphere, like half of the sphere, no? So the TSA is basically become a CSA or divided by 2, means TSA of sphere divided by 2 means 4 pi r square divided by 2. It will become 2 pi r square. This is become CSA because half is there, no? So whatever the sphere, like TSA was with the sphere, it become half of it. Did you understand, guys? No. Okay. In the same way, now what will be the TSA? Can anybody tell me what will be the TSA?
Well, what's the first part of the formula? Is that a 4 for
Yeah,
the
4 pi r
CSA?
square, no? Like
Okay.
TSA of a sphere was 4 pi r square. As I told you, half of sphere, so 4 ka half is 2. So that's why I wrote 2.
The 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square.
Sorry. Say it again.
So CSA, you're asking for TSA, so that will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r.
Okay. 2 pi
Oh,
r square
sorry.
plus 2 pi
2
r.
pi r square plus pi r square.
Yes. Good. 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Why pi r square? Because the above part is also circular. Did you understand, guys? The above part is also circular, na? So that's why 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which become 3 pi r square. This will become TSA. And for the volume, I told you that volume of hemisphere is basically the half of sphere. So volume, it's 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3 half is 2 by 3. So it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. It will become what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Did you understand, guys? Okay, done?
Now,
Yes,
I have a doubt.
please.
Like, we know the TSA is 2 pi r square plus pi r square.
Mm,
Can we write it as pi r square into within bracket 2 plus 1?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Then 2 plus 1 become 3, na?
Yeah.
So I wrote simply 3. Okay. Shall I raise this? Everyone? Joshua? Jehoan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now we'll do some question based on it. I believe you guys are smart enough to do this. Uh-huh. Can you do this, guys? And after this, which chapter is left?
16 and 19.
Sir, again, what we take 22 by 7 also for pi. Or
Yeah. 22/7. But remember this, this is not radius, it's diameter. 19 also we didn't did, na? है ना?
No, coordinate geometry didn't.
Yeah, we'll do the 19 first.
There, so instead of R, we take D.
No, we have to convert the D into R. Like, you know the relation, na? Like D by 2 is basically R. The like half of the diameter is basically R, na? So first we have to do the half. Quickly do it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, done? Okay. So on Monday, please come with pencil, sharpener, eraser. If possible, if you have graph book, please come with this. Hannah, write it down this thing and put it in the group, na? Please come with graph book if possible, scale, sharpener, eraser. No need of compass, but we know we need all this thing
So,
because
so graph book, pencil, ruler, eraser.
yeah, and pen also we need. Like you will say, sir, you didn't tell us to bring the pen. So pen also we need. Okay, Sam, you heard that? Graph book we need because mostly in exams they will give you graph paper for that, and if they didn't did graph paper for this question, like the next chapter which we are doing, if they will not give you graph paper, then you can ask from them, sir, this is the graph question, can you give us graph paper? Because I know one of my student, like previous year only, he didn't ask for the graph paper and he made on the answer sheet because he think that, oh, sir, if sir is not giving, then we have to complete it in the answer sheet only. So I don't think the marks is deducted, but still, if we have graph paper, then it's gonna be easy. So please bring graph paper and all. Done, everyone? No. What's the answer? Surface area. Jahoan.
462 cm square.
4?
462 centimeters square.
Surface area. Okay. Hannah, what's your answer?
1386 centimeters.
Yeah, 1386 is correct. Okay, I'll do this. I think some calculation mistakes is there, Jehovah. So surface area, which is 4 pi r square. So it means that 4 into 22 by 7 into, now 21 is the diameter. And we know that to convert into radius, we have to divide this 21 by 2. So it will become 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Did you understand? Yes or no? So now 7 ones are 7 threes are 2, and this will become 1 and 1. So it will become 22 into 3 into 21. And when you multiply it, you will get answer 1386 centimeters square. What mistake you did, Jahan?
I didn't multiply by 3.
Oh, okay.
This is 22 and
Now,
21. So not about the 3.
uh, okay. 3 is very tasty, no? Yeah.
I got 13860.
0.
Yeah.
How you got 0? I mean, what you did?
Hmm. I cancelled 4 and 10.5,
Okay.
and then I multiplied 1.5 with 10.5, and then multiplied that with 88.
Uh,
Yeah.
so basically, the problem which you did is you converted into decimal. See, guys, it's your tip for the examination. Never ever try to solve the decimal questions. It means that, like, if fraction is there, if you can easily simplify it, don't convert it into decimal. Like what wisdom you can use? Like 22 by 7 is given, and I know that diameter is 21. 21 is divisible by 2, 3. I mean 7. Yeah. So instead of converting then into 10.5, making it decimals, making it complicated, I just write 21 by 2. I can simply write it in decimal. Understood, Abigail?
Hmm. Yeah.
But I make it as fraction. And the mistake which you did is you forgot to put the point. So there will be point 1386.0 it will come. When
Hmm.
you're multiplying it, check it. When you will multiply it, you have to write 1.1386.0.
Okay, sir.
I hate this. When the sneezing is about to come, but stop. Okay, so now what is volume? Anybody can tell me? Sam,
220,
what is volume? Yeah, yes, Jehan. Who's saying?
220.5 cm cube.
Okay, okay. Joshua, what's the volume?
So I didn't get this question.
You didn't. So you understood or you were not able to do it?
I understood now.
Okay. Sam, what's the question, answer?
I forgot to solve for volumes and I only solved the
Wow.
thing I forgot to solve. I forgot.
Wow, wow, wow. Abigail, you got it?
Almost, sir.
Okay. Hannah, what's your answer?
4851 centimeters.
Yeah, 485. Josh, Jahovan, check. You did some mistake. You didn't multiply again 3 or 4. See, check. Check, no? Yeah, you multiplied it correct or not? Like the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7. R is basically 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Okay. So 7 ones are 7, 3s are 3, 1s are 3, 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 1s are 22, 11s are 2, 1s are So it will become 11 into 21 into 21. When you multiply it, you will get the answer. Now, what happened, Jawan? Where did mistake?
Okay. I keep on forgetting about numbers. This time I forgot about the 22.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, yeah. So that's why have a healthy breakfast before coming in maths class. Okay, so that you will not eat the numbers. Okay, so it's okay. It happens. It happens a lot. Okay, so now your homework, beloved homework. Because Hannah was asking, sir, you are not giving us homework, so I have to give homework now because Hannah is too much studious guy, no, you know. So yeah, here we go, Hannah. On your demand, we are taking homework. Everyone can say thank you to Hannah. Hannah, thank you. So yeah, this is your homework. CYP 21.4. See guys, are you doing terminal exercise or not? Batch 2025, who's appearing in April. Terminal questions is very, very important. Very important, I'm saying. It has more weightage than in-text question or the examples. Every question, terminal question, you have to do it. Those who are appearing in whenever, I mean, I'm not saying in April only. Whenever you're appearing, terminal exercise is very important because many of the questions will come from them. So please go for the that thing and try to do it. Okay? Do terminal exercise, please. Okay? So and terminal questions as much as you can do. Monday we'll
Page
start a new chapter, and then Tuesday page number no. It's page number 500 and page number 502. And remember one thing, guys. Monday we will have the new chapter, and Wednesday we will have doubt class. Write this all thing, Hannah, in the group. Wednesday we will have doubt class of this chapter. So you have time till Wednesday to do the questions so that it can't be burdened. Okay. Go to the
So
church
Monday,
and say that God take the burden. Yeah.
Monday is chapter 19.
Yeah. Coordinate geometry. Please bring graph paper, pencil, sharpener, eraser, and have a healthy breakfast. So, okay. So we will have break of 3 minutes. Till then, we'll wait for the science class. Till then, bye, Hannah. Abhipil, are you joining or
Yes, sir. Sir, can you see
okay?
the volume of the previous sum?
Can you?
See again the volume of the previous sum.
Okay. What's your answer?
2.2, I'm sorry, 272.86875.
Okay. Let me multiply this. 11 into 21 into 22. No, the answer is 4851. Can you check it? What mistake you did?
This one also I solved in decimal only, so I think some problem with that.
Yeah, try to avoid decimal problem.
Okay, sir.
Do you want me to in decimal part? Like I will do with decimal also.
Yeah.
22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5. So this will become 10. This will become 10. This will become 10. I just remove the point part. I again make it fraction. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 ones are
15.
yeah 15. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. Okay. Now 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 10. Understood? No. Now
Yeah.
2 ones are, 2 twos are. Same. This will become 21. This will become what? 2. This will become 21. This will become again 2. So 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 11s are. So again, I got 11 into 21 into 21.
Yeah, I found my mistake. Instead of multiplying 4 by 3 into everything, I did 3 by 4 into everything.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, come back. We can't wait. So yesterday, where were we? Where were we? What chapter we were doing? Chapter number 16, I guess. Yep. Okay, so we learned about the this thing. Yes. Everyone turn on the camera, please, so that I can see your cute faces. Yes, Abigail, Jehoan, Jashron, Sam, turn on the camera. Where is Joshua?
Sir,
Yes, yes, sorry.
how do you know, like when you rub two items together, which will become negative and which will become positive? Like what?
Basically, yeah, this is called as a working potential or threshold potential. It's basically 11th class concept. Okay. Basically, it depends on the nature of material. Like same silk cloth, when it is rubbed with the glass rod, make the glass rod negative. Okay, same silk cloth. And when the same silk cloth is rubbed with the plastic, it makes the plastic positive. Okay, so it's basically called as working potential. Like the potential of getting the charge based on the nature of material, then the charges will shift. Okay, yeah, yes, sir.
Can objects give both a negative and a positive charge?
Sorry,
Can objects give both a negative and a positive? Or objects only give negative power? Sorry,
objects
charge.
will object will give only negative. Like the electrons are only responsible for the transfer. Okay, not protons. Only electrons will transfer, and basis of this, for example, one object loses the electron, become positive, and the other one who got the electron become the positive, negative. Sorry. So only electrons are responsible for the transfer of the for the transferring and makes the object negative or positive. Okay. Okay. So now today we'll learn about electric current. Okay. Till here, any problem, guys? Jehovah, Jashron, please ask me. Till here, any problem? No. Now today we'll learn about the electric current. Okay. Now we'll understand it like this. See, this is a wire. Okay, understand it like a wire. Don't laugh on my the drawing part. Okay, I am very bad in it. Now, in the wire, this is first case in which the charge Q is denoted by charge. Okay, it's moving and it's take 2 seconds to reach from A destination to B destination. Okay, understand it like this. Okay. And the another example is this is another same wire of same length of same like the thickness will be the same thing. Okay, everything is same. Now in this is same Q charge takes 4 seconds. This 4 second almost double to reach from A and B. Everything is same thickness, same wire, same, everything is same. Okay, so now which will have a more electric current? Basically, what is electric current? I'll repeat the electric current of definition. The time taken by the charge to flow into the conductor. So if there is a definition, I will underline it. Give me a second. Or the quantity of charge of flowing per unit time. The quantity of charge of flowing per unit time. If you will see the PDF of mine on the screen, I just highlighted it. So what does this mean? This means that the charge, how much time the charge take, it's all that thing. Okay, now in the A option and in the B option, which takes a lot of time? Like which have the less current? Is it option A or option B? Is it option A or option B?
What's the question, sir?
I'm saying that option A, the wire is moving. Okay, the in the wire the electric charge is moving and taking 2 second time to reach from A to B. In the wire B, same wire is there, same charge is there, but it takes 4 seconds. The charge needs 4 seconds. Okay, so it means that in wire B, the same charge reaching with the lot of time, it taking lot of time as compared to A, as compared to A, the B takes a lot of time. So it means that the the current in wire B will be less. Why? Because I, which is current, is equals to Q by T. I is represented by Q by T, means charge per unit time. If it is taking more time, then the current will be less. If it has less time, then the current will be more. Understood? Yes or no, guys?
So more the time, like more the time taken, less the current.
Yes.
So in that, like if both are having equal current supply and one is taking
Mhm.
more time, one is taking less time, then the one with more time is having less current.
Less current. Less current. Having more time for traveling of charge from one place to another place, it will have less current. Okay.
So
So, for example, yeah.
so it doesn't matter how much supply is available to the wire.
No, supplies also matters, but one of the factors is also time. Supply also factor. For example, if you will compare a 9-volt battery current and the house current. Okay, so in 9-volt battery current, the current will flow slowly as compared to house supply. If you will touch the house supply current, then you will have a face-to-face video call with Jesus. No, like you will have face-to-face conversation. Okay, so but in 9-volt current, because the current speed is very slow, because the next topic is that voltage is directly proportional to current. More voltage, more current will be there. We will understand that thing. That is another part. But one of the factor is time also. Why the 9-volt is giving less current as compared to home appliance current? Because 9-volt current giving, like, the charge is moving, but it will taking more time. Like that.
So is it ever possible that a 9-volt battery will be faster than house current?
Then we have to increase the voltage for that. Like in our house, 220-volt is coming. In that, 9-volt is there. If you will increase that 9-volt battery to the 220-volt, then you will have more current. When you will touch that battery, then thank you, Jesus. Like this, it will come. Understood? Yes or no? So we'll come in that topic, that voltage also depend on that. But as per current, the charge taken per unit time. Charge taken per unit time is considered as current. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Sam?
Sir,
Joshua?
my internet lagged out. So can you repeat the last couple of sentences?
Yeah, I was saying the charge per unit time. Quantity of charge per unit time is considered as current. If in unit time more current are passing, then it will have more current. If unit time less charges are passing, then it will have less current. Understood? Write one question. Write one question. I'll write it down and we will solve it then. This is very important question. Okay, write it as star mark also. calculate the electric current. If the charge Q, if the charge Q has 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons and takes 30 seconds to move, calculate the electric current. We have to calculate what? Electric current. Okay. We have to calculate the electric current. Okay. Now, how will you do this? Now, how will you do this? Okay, I will do it, but don't write anything, okay, because it's important question. So we learned that what we learned that Q is equals to NE because we don't know the charge. Did we know the charge? We just know the number of electrons and the time. Yes, we know the number of electrons and the time. We don't know the how much charge is there. So first we have to calculate the charge. And as I told you, charge is equals to Q is equals to N into E. Yes or no? Yeah. So Q is equals to N, which is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Understood, guys? What I did? No. See, number of electron is given, which is 6.25. Okay, so I wrote number of electron as 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. And electron charge is 1.6. So I wrote 1.6 here. Did you understand? Can you see that? Okay, and I will simply multiply it. Okay, so Q is equals to 6.25 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 1. How it came? See, this is as the same base, power up different. We have to add it. 18 minus 19, like 18 plus minus 19, it become 10 to the power minus 1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Sam, did you understand? No. Okay. Now, when you will simply multiply it, you will get answer as Q is equals to 10 when you multiplied it. Okay, 10 and and this is minus 1. We have to make it power plus. So it will go in denominator, it will become again 10. So 10 and 10 will cut. So I got 1 coulomb charge. It means that 1 coulomb charge is going like if this much electrons is there, then it means that 1 coulomb charge is there. Understood, guys? Did you understand till here? Jashron, Jahoan, Joshua? Okay. Now we have to find the current. We know the formula. What we know the formula? I is equals to Q by T. Now Q is basically 1 coulomb. Time is 30 seconds. I have to divide it. Okay. Then you will get answer as 0.033. So like this. 0.0333 ampere. So this much current will be there. Now what is this A? A, which is denoted by ampere, is the unit of electric current. So whenever I will say 6 ampere, 6 ampere is basically 6 electric current. Understood? Okay, write it down. Write it down this whole thing. This is a very important question. Write it down the whole thing. Joshua, please check the stream video in fast forward also. You can check it so that you can understand this all thing. Because now the coming chapter is only based on these things. Okay?
sir.
Yeah.
So for current, do we put representative as capital I or small I?
Capital I, not small I.
Okay.
You have to put capital I. Okay, done? Tell me when you're done, please. Okay. Now I'm erasing this. Shall I? Okay. So, yeah. Can you read this? Who will read? Okay. Jahuan will read it from here.
All electrical appliances or gadgets like a bulb or a heater's coil are based on the movement of charges, as we know that flowing based on movement of charges. As we know that flowing water constitutes water, current in rivers, water current in rivers. Similarly, electric charge flowing through the conductor or a metallic wire constitutes electric current. An example, the quantity of charge flowing per unit into time. Thus, electric current is the charge flowing through any cross-section of the conductor in a unit time. An example, I equal to charge Q by time T, where Q is the
Remember
charge,
this formula. This is a very important formula. Yeah.
where Q is the charge in coulomb flowing through the conductor in T seconds. If 1 coulomb C of charge flows through any cross-section of a conductor in 1 second, as the current flowing, it will be 1 ampere.
Ampere is basically the unit of current. Remember this thing. What is the unit of voltage?
Volt.
Volt. In the same way, current unit is this thing. Yeah.
Here, ampere is the SI unit of the current, 1A equal to 1C by 1S. Here, ampere is the SI unit of current given in the honor of the French scientist André Marie Ampere. However, small currents are more conveniently expressed by milliampere, symbolically represented by MA, and microampere is symbolically represented by mu A. Current is a scalar quantity. 1 MA equal to 10 raised minus 3A. 1 mu A equal to 10 raised minus 6A.
Okay. Now listen, guys. Listen. This is important thing. See, now we will understand it like this. See, there are two types of instrument that we use in the electric circuit. So, for example, I will make one electric circuit for you. So, for example, this is a battery. This is a bulb. This is a switch. And this is a device which is also called as ammeter. Just give me a second. Okay. Now, remember this thing. Some of the tricks I'm saying. Okay. Remember this thing. The battery allows electricity to pass. Okay. Electricity will emerges from positive terminal, makes the electric current flow through the bulb, and the bulb will glow, and it will go through this A. What is this A? This A is basically called as ammeter. This A is called as ammeter, which is a device. Here it is. Ammeter is an instrument which is on connecting in series in an electric circuit, indicates how many ampere is there. Means it is a device that is used to measure electric current. It is basically used for measuring electric current. So what is ammeter? Ammeter is a device that is used to measure electric current. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now there is another device which we apply like this. This is called as voltmeter. Now from the name itself, we can understand that voltmeter is used to measure voltage. It is used to measure what? Voltage. Like how much voltage is there. Understood, guys? Now you can ask me, sir, there is like ammeter, you can see that they are attached in the circuit, and this is like you have putting a parallel type. So yes, ammeter always connected in series. What is series? Like one after one. Series is one after one. So like after bulb, you will apply the ammeter. This is called as series. And what is parallel? You can see that voltmeter is just parallel to the bulb. Yes. Okay, or any appliances. So voltmeter always applied in parallel form, and ammeter is always applied in series form. Why? We will understand after the resistance concept. Understood, guys? Now, first point is this, that ammeter is used to measure electric current, and voltmeter is used to measure voltage. Okay. Second point, the electricity starts from positive terminal and it goes towards the negative terminal. Now, for example, if this switch is off, then electric current will not flow because the circuit is not closed. For every time, for the flowing of electric current, we need that the electric current should be closed. I mean, the circuit should be closed. Then only electric current will flow. For example, if the switch is off, now the bulb will blow. No, it will not blow. The bulb will not blow. No, because the circuit is not closed. For making the circuit close, the electric current should travel to the from the battery and to the battery. Then only the electric current will flow. Understood? Electric current should come from the battery and it merges into the battery. Then only electric current will flow. Did you understand? Okay. So this is how this works. Now one more thing. One more thing, that like electric current, okay, starts from which terminal? It moves from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. But here is a catch. The catch is electrons move, which is a negative terminal. They move from negative terminal to positive terminal. It means that if I'll talk about electrons moves from this position to this position. These yellow ones are the electrons. Electrons, like wherever the electrons are moving, for example, electrons is moving into the west, the electricity move into the east direction. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? Whatever the electrons always emerges from the negative terminal and it ends towards the positive terminal, and electricity or electric current will move from positive terminal and it moves towards the negative terminal. Did you understand? So in starting I told you electricity is called as flow of charge. So which charge are moving and from where to where? So the flow of charge is basically the electrons and they are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. Did you understand, guys? What I'm trying to say? Did you understand? Hmm? Now one more thing. One more thing. In a battery, the you can see that this is a big bar and this is small bar. This big bar represented as positive terminal and the small bar is represented as negative terminal. That's why the blue line, which is this thing, electric current, okay, it's moving from positive to the negative. But the yellow bar, which is this electrons, it's moving from negative to positive. As I told you, electrons always move from high concentration to low concentration. So negative terminal of a battery has high concentration of electrons, and the positive terminal of a battery has low concentration of electron. That's why the electrons are moving from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay, this is very important. You can take screenshot if you want to make. Please make it because this is basic idea about the electric current. Okay, so I guess you just read till here till page number 368 at home, and then tomorrow not Monday, we'll discuss after that. Jahoan, please send me the syllabus no after the class. Please, na? Okay, so we'll end here only. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye. Shabake. Sayo.